Staff training is one of the 3 critical components of a successful dental office. Along with great technical delivery and having a high ratio of public contacted who then become new patients, well thought out staff training provides group efficiencies that help the bottom line. Real competitive excellence for practice happens when all 3 components are driven by true caring for the person in front of you.
So you see, you're going to get, something like this where you can actually draw the tooth here. You got the nerve there. Here.
Staff training developed specifically for your office, delivered through an online cloud platform, has many advantages. The training is delivered by people in your own office on video, so it's tailored to your specific operation.
So a question might be, well, where do I come up with the patients from? How do I call them? Where do I get the list from? We have lists that we can generate here in the office through the Dentrix software that we use. People who have been here, the doctor has treatment planned them to come in for various things. We know what's wrong, the problems have been diagnosed, and maybe they've actually started even some of their treatment, but they have not yet made appointments for the rest of it. So we can pull these sheets, their reports, that will give us exactly who the people are, who their doctors are, and what the treatment is that's needed.
So once the patient comes into the office for their appointment, I would make sure that the hygienist room is ready and the hygienist is ready, and I would get their treatment plans and as well as their routing forms, which is the piece of paper that goes throughout the office with them to make sure that every provider or person handling the patient's care while they're in the office would be aware of anything that any information that needs to be on the routing form. I would get them to sign their treatment plan, which is basically a breakdown of everything that we'll be doing, including exam, cleaning, and x-rays, and what exactly insurance would cover, which would let the patient know they're out of pocket for the cleaning. And then I would mark them ready on the schedule, and therefore the hygienist knows that it's time to go in the room and get started. And once they are done, the hygienist will schedule their next recall appointment and bring them up to check out, and I'll verify that they have a next appointment to come back in and see us, and we'll get them on out of here.
Personalized written policy manuals accompany the cloud format for quick reference when needed. Students are tested throughout the training to ensure comprehension. Because it's online, the content can be easily changed or upgraded, so critical training information is never out of date. You can show model scripts in a video format that can be easily accessed by staff on any device at any moment as a review.
What we really should do is get you in the office, let the doctor take an x-ray of that tooth. That way we can find out exactly.
Staff gets trained without taking time away from the doctor or office manager. It's self-training at its best. All the office manager does is confirm the staff passed their tests, assignments, and role-playing. You can deliver a timely message to all staff without calling a meeting.
All right, one of the most important things I think I want to share with everybody here with this dental practice and with our company, the associates, the hygienists, the assistants, the front office staff, the receptionists, the appointment schedules, the new patient coordinators, the accounts folks, the office managers, everybody in quality control. And this is how do we stay successful in changing economic times, okay? Every day, all day long, we are bombarded by the news, by television, by magazines, by the internet on how bad things are.
Welcome to the Atlanta Dental Center e-course training. Our purpose in
Cloud delivery of staff training is cost-effective, individualized, and delivered in a training style that keeps the staff member winning and building confidence by validating what they know.